So now Tyla is in hot water. Those two actual writers of water, they are suing Tyla and the label. Maybe with this boiling water, they should just make him a cup of tea so that she can sit down and relax. We have ghost writers, ghost producers. Those motherfuckers, they need to be credited. There are these people who are making money using Alostro's face. Your DJ Kari, your Mr. Moloto, they're saying they're gonna be a boxing match between those two motherfuckers. I'm like, man, they're gonna kill each other, yo. They're gonna kill each other. How can you let two crackheads fight one another? Huge difference between abstaining from drugs, detoxation, and rehabilitation. We don't have a problem with Alostro's content on TikTok. It's funny, it's hilarious, we love it. Maybe Alostro is supposed to become a stand-up comedian. But you motherfuckers are saying you are his manager. Maybe you should say you are his guardian. Operation Dudula is back again in the streets, cleaning up the trash. I'm not gonna say illegal immigrants are trash, because they are trash. We gotta take out the trash, man. Send them where they came from. We might think we have an immigration problem in South Africa. We actually don't have an immigration problem. We have a currency problem in Africa. Who in their right mind here in South Africa would want to go and live in Zimbabwe or in Nigeria? You won't, you can't, you're not even dreaming of having a house in Zimbabwe. You know why? Because the currency is bad. 2 million nairas. It's equivalent to 23,000 rands in South Africa. So imagine yourself having a whole stack of money only to find out that you got $100, nigga. So coming from Zimbabwe or Nigeria, it's the same as catching a flight from here to KZN, from Pretoria to KZN. Never mind the hours. You can just catch a flight and then you are here.